I am Dr. Kalpana Kotecha, founder and director of Amazo Health. Amazo Health comes up with advanced homeopathic formulations for all your acute and chronic illnesses. Today we'll talk about constipation. What are the common causes of constipation? Constipation have causes that aren't due to underlying diseases. Examples include dehydration, lack of dietary fiber, physical inactivity, or medication side effects. Today we have seen there are a lot of side effects of the medicines what you are taking. You shouldn't be overtaxing intestines with the side effects of these medications, which causes constipation, which may turn into chronicity and increase the number of illnesses. What are the metaphysical causes of constipation? Constipation, metaphysical cause, one of the causes of constipation is also sticking to the old beliefs, not letting go of your old beliefs and being stingy towards those beliefs. So you have to learn to accept what are the old beliefs, what are the new beliefs. You have to ask them, communicate with your near and dear ones. What is their belief and what is your belief? Why do they believe that way? And come out of all those ideations which you have to let go them, so that you can heal yourself of your constipation permanently. Regarding the side effects of the medication, you have to understand that, for example, suppose you have high cholesterol, hypercholesterolemia. In that scenario, just one statin is enough to prevent you from a heart attack. You need not add aspirin or beta blockers and medications for high blood pressure like hydrochlorothiazides. These type of medications you should try to avoid and just be on one statin. For other illnesses or other side problems what you fear for heart attack, you can be taking other organic remedies or organic diets, such as include omega-3 in your diet for blood thinning, for your high blood pressure, cut down on your salt, stop eating papad, achar, those things which have high salt fraction in that. So in this way, and you add some homeopathic medicines or some natural medicines, Ayurvedic medicines, through which you can prevent your blood pressure, high blood pressure and other cardiovascular illnesses associated with high cholesterol. So these things, whenever you can try to avoid lot of other medicines which are not required, you will be not be constipated. So another thing what I want to tell you is that a lot of antibiotics dry up your intestines. So you have to take a lot of antioxidants, include vitamin C, or even we have a very good homeopathic remedy, Amazo Lax. Now your intestine lining is made up of sulfur, and homeopathy works on the principle like cures like. Now this Amazo Lax has phenol, senna and sulfur. So sulfur actually builds up the lining of your intestines and improves the peristalsis movement of the intestine, improving your constipation. So you need to include a lot of fluid in your diet, fiber in your diet. These are the lifestyle changes what you need to do, and try to adapt more of organic food, avoid a lot of overtaxing yourself with lot of medications. And still, if you are constipated, you can take one Amazo Lax at bedtime. Chew this tablet. It's a yellow color tablet, a big tablet, and you can drink 1 to 2 glasses of water over it and see the result in the morning. You will feel amazing, energetic, fresh and deconstipated. Thank you. One more thing, I want to thank my Amazo Health team for shooting all these videos and bringing up to you in such a very acceptable form to the audience. We have also shooted a lot of other videos on frozen shoulders, cervical spondylitis, hair fall, how you can handle hair fall at home, and how you can prevent all these diseases from aggravating more at home. So if you want to see all the videos, there is an I button where you can go and click the button and see those videos also. Do comment in the box how do you feel about these videos.